Welcome to a cheerful home full of love and laughter. Let's meet a special family. This is Papa Daddy. He's strong, kind, and always ready with a big smile. He loves fixing things and playing football with the boys. Here's Mama. She's the heart of the home. She loves baking yummy treats and reading bedtime stories. Meet Samir. He's 6 years old and full of energy. He loves rainbows, science, and asking clever questions. And this is Aayan. He's 4 years old and loves adventures. He's brave, curious, and never without his favorite red trousers. And here's Minaal, the little baby of the family. She's just 2 months old, always smiling, and loves her blue bow. Together, we are one big happy family, learning, playing, and growing side by side. Thanks for learning with us today. If you had fun and learned something new, don't forget to tap that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next adventure.